everyone, myself Diksha Singh, and today we will start learning about the triangles of the neck. There are two major triangles of the neck. One, it is the anterior triangle. In this diagram we can see this is the anterior triangle in this region, and other it is the posterior triangle of the neck. So there are two triangles of the neck which are found in the neck region. First of all जो है हम neck जो anterior triangle है उसकी boundaries देख लेते हैं. Before starting with the boundaries, let's know there are four major regions which are found in the region of the neck. ठीक है, चार मेजर रीजन होते हैं जो एनाटॉमिकली विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वी शुड नो अबाउट दीज रीजन. So the neck is divided in four main regions. First, it is the anterior region of the neck. So the anterior region होता है, it is the space which is situated anteriorly to the sternocleidomastoid muscle. मतलब कि हमारा sternocleidomastoid muscle है, in this diagram you can see, इसके anteriorly मतलब इसके सामने. Anteriorly means in front of it. So in front of it जो हमारे sternocleidomastoid muscle के सामने जो region है वो हमारा anterior region of the neck है. ठीक है, so अगर boundaries we will say तो क्या हो जाएगा कि जो anterior region है neck का it is a space in front which is situated anteriorly मतलब के सामने to the front of anteriorly to the sternocleidomastoid muscle. ठीक है, so ये हो गया anterior region of the neck. And now we have the posterior region of the neck, which is the space which is situated at the posteriorly to the external border of trapezius muscle. So ये हमारा trapezius muscle है, इसके external border पे मतलब कि ये जो region है हमारा which is corresponding to the trapezius muscle, it is the posterior region of the neck. Then one we have is the sternocleidomastoid region. मतलब कि जो ये muscle है ना itself, it is the muscle itself is equal to the region. मतलब ये जितना muscle space occupy कर रहा है ये हमारा sternocleidomastoid region हो गया. ठीक है, and the last region is the fourth region, the lateral region, which is a space on the side of the neck situated between the sternocleidomastoid. मतलब ये जो sternocleidomastoid है इसके बीच the boundary this muscle and trapezius muscle. So the lateral region of the neck, it is situated between the sternocleidomastoid muscle and trapezius muscle. So चार region हो गए. One was the anterior region जो which is situated superiorly to the sternocleidomastoid muscle. ठीक है, we have the posterior region which is corresponding to the trapezius muscle. We have the sternocleidomastoid region which is itself enclosing this muscle, और हमारा lateral region है which is between the posterior, ये इन दोनों के बीच का जो region है ना, ये region lateral region है, ये between the sternocleidomastoid muscle and the trapezius muscle. So this was the four regions of the neck which is very important. Now let's deal with the triangles of the neck. So जो हमारा the entire compartment of the neck, it is divided into two major triangles. ठीक है, दो major triangles होते हैं. One, it is you can see the anterior triangle. अगर मैं ये part ऐसे cover कर दूँ तो you can see this portion, it is the anterior triangle of the neck. ये, and covering the anterior you can see this is the posterior triangle. ये blue color से इस diagram में this is the posterior triangle of the neck. अब एंटीरियर ट्रायंगल में सबसे पहले बाउंड्रीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सो बाउंड्रीज हम देखते हैं एंटीरियर ट्रायंगल की. तो बाउंड्रीज क्या होती हैं? देयर विल बी sternocleidomastoid muscle. द एंटीरियर ट्रायंगल लेटरली विल बी द एंटीरियर बॉर्डर ऑफ द sternocleidomastoid muscle. मतलब कि जो हमारा sternocleidomastoid है उसका जो एंटीरियर मतलब फ्रंट वाला बॉर्डर है इट विल लाई लेटरली, मतलब इसके लेटरली है ना ये, दिस विल बी मीडियल रीजन एंड दिस विल बी द लेटरल पार्ट. सो laterally will be the anterior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Then superiorly will be the inferior border of the mandible. ये हमारा जो mandible bone है इसका जो inferior border, you can see the inferior border of mandible. And medially will be the midline of the neck. तो these three boundaries ये देख रहे हो, these three boundaries, the laterally will be the anterior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. then superiorly will be the inferior border of mandible and medially will be the midline of the neck. ये हमारा बना रहा है anterior triangle of the neck. This is the anterior triangle of the neck. Now let's see the boundaries of the posterior triangle of the neck. ठीक है, तो posterior triangle of the neck, so there will be superior anteriorly for posterior triangle, anteriorly will be the posterior border, क्योंकि ये अगर anterior border था तो ये पीछे वाला posterior मतलब पीछे वाला border sternocleidomastoid muscle का. So for the posterior triangle, anteriorly will be the posterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle, then medially will be the posterior border of the sternocleidomastoid muscle, then laterally we will have the anterior border of the trapezius muscle, and niche inferiorly what we have, it is the middle of the 1/3 of the clavicle. ये clavicle है, clavicle का 1/3 का भी middle of the 1/3 of the clavicle. So this is the boundary of the posterior triangle of the neck. So these were the anterior triangle and the posterior triangle of the neck. These were the major two triangles of the neck. Now the triangle of the neck, these anterior and posterior, is further divided into small triangles. Now in the next video we will see the various sub triangles of the anterior as well as posterior triangles and their contents, which are very important. Thank you so much.